Today, we're exploring the 2024 Toyota Century, a vehicle that embodies luxury and sophistication with its striking design. The Century features sleek lines and a prominent front grille that command attention on the road. The iconic Century badge highlights its prestigious status. Under the hood, the Century boasts a powerful 5.0-liter V8 engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a smooth ride while enhancing fuel efficiency. This hybrid setup ensures you enjoy performance without compromising on environmental responsibility. Inside, the cabin is a masterpiece of luxury. High-quality materials and handcrafted finishes create an inviting atmosphere. The rear seats provide an unparalleled experience, complete with massage functions and generous legroom, making it perfect for long journeys or important meetings. The 2024 Century is also packed with advanced technology. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen, seamless navigation, and a premium sound system. Driver assistance features enhance safety and connectivity, ensuring peace of mind on every drive. What sets the Century apart are its unique touches. From exquisite wood trim to ambient lighting, every detail is carefully designed. The rear seat entertainment system further elevates the experience, making it a top choice for those who value comfort and elegance. In summary, the 2024 Toyota Century is more than just a car. It's a symbol of luxury and craftsmanship. Whether driven or chauffeured, it promises a remarkable journey. Don't forget to share your thoughts on the Century in the comments below, and thanks for watching.